Hello guys, welcome to another video of this series and this series is book review. So here I review the books that I have read previously and here's another one that I would like to review for all of you. Basically, my favorite people in the field of astrophysics or science, my favorite people whose books I like to read are Neil deGrasse Tyson and Stephen Hawking because I grew up with their books, but this gentleman has my utmost respect. He was a wild card entry in the list of favorite authors that I have. His name is Dr. Michio Kaku, and the book that I am going to review today is Parallel Worlds. So, again, with respect to my previous video, there are various many fields in physics. There is quantum physics, there is astrophysics, there is nuclear physics, there is biological physics, that is space biology, and there are a lot of stuff going on. And within my favorite range of physics domain, that is astrophysics, there are different kinds of astrophysics as well. Computational astrophysics, astronomical astrophysics. I might not be using the right words, but there are a lot of categorization, and one of those categorization is string theory. And I suppose all of you know that Michio Kaku works in this field, and if you didn't know, then now you know. So this is a book based on that. If you go through the index, you'll understand that he opens up with the formation of the universe, that is the how our universe was made, the baby pictures of universe, the big bang, the paradoxical universe that are there. And he goes through different many portals, that there are 11 dimensions available, and there might be other dimensions that are there. He takes you on a very specific journey, a mental journey. And as I have told previously, that even if the book is associated with science, I try to read it as if I'm trying to read a story, because universe is out there telling you to understand them, and that goes through a point of view by which you can say, in a linear path, like a story, there is, it has a starting, it has a big that is beginning, it has an end, it goes through a developmental stage, and that is how this book in its first two parts explains everything. After that, we go into the part 3, that is escape into hyperspace. And there are three parts which explains a lot of stuff in details, and this book is very good for people who are not so familiar with the mathematical equations that are going on in physics. If you are that kind of person, then this book is for you. You will be able to understand and expand your knowledge with the said subject, while not straining your brain with a lot of equations. So if you would like to read this book, here this book is in my suggestions. If you want to read, please go ahead. It is a good book to read if you are an astrophysics or in general a physics enthusiast. And that was it. That was the review for this book today. Maybe in future I'll review more books, depends on the time that I get to read those books. So I'll review the same and I'll get back to you. If you have watched the video till here, then thank you for watching, and as always, have a nice day ahead.